Hey, what's up YouTube? So today we've got an unboxing of this here automotive interior exterior clip panel removal toolkit, and also this here the Goose neck for a GoPro action camera. Well, I don't have a GoPro, but it should do just the work that I needed to for my little camera. So it is a double unboxing today. So let's start off with the simplest one, which is this Goose neck over here. So let's just get in it and see what it's all about. So, well, here it is. Not much to it really. It cannot extend, so but it can move around like so. So the one thing that you will need obviously is where you're gonna click it in or clip it in, and then obviously whatever you are gonna use, you're gonna have to then clip that in over here on top. So what am I talking about? This is what I will be using. So this one here is a 3M, it's a sticking tape over there that I will attach or paste on a surface, and then this guy just simply clicks in. Which side? Okay guys, so this guy basically you would use something similar to this. I've been struggling a bit, but I don't think this is a size, so I already had this once here, this mounts here, but unfortunately it's not the same size as this guy here. On top obviously it will be then your camera, which you'll click in like that, and then this will be standing wherever you put it. Now how this should back is similar to how this one works, but now the reason why this one or this one can't fit in here, this one can probably fit in here nicely, just like that, easy peasy. But the reason why it's not working out with this one over here is because this is a bit thicker. This is a bit thicker of a mounting clip or whatever you call it. So you need a little bit bigger of a bracket for it to work. But basically that's how it would work. You clip this in here, you mount this, you stick it wherever you want to, then you just click this one in, and then you will click in your camera then on top, and then there you go. And then obviously you can adjust it to however you need to, and it will be good to go. And it is a bit steady, so even if you do this, it's not moving, so it's a bit steady. But yeah, that is the Goose neck and how it works. And then next up, it is this guy over here, this clip set. So let's just take this plastic off. Get me a knife. So here we are. Let's unzip it. Comes in a fair packaging here. Feels like it might last as long as you take care of it, but the stitching here seems cheap, so you're gonna have to take care of it. So let's get in it and let's see what is what. Okay, so here we are guys. I don't know if these have names, but I'll go through them with you. We've got this one here, clip panel remover. That's what it says over here. We got that. We have angled clip panel remover. We've got upholstery clip remover. We have remover narrow type. We have flat clip panel remover. Continuing, we have a handy remover. And we have here remover cool type. Here we've got a remover wide type. Okay, that's all of that on this left hand side. On the right side we have a straight panel remover. We have a panel remover. We have a sharp panel remover. So this side seems like it's a lot of panel removers. That side is clips. And then we have this guy over here, clip remover as well. Don't know what's the name of this one, but pliers to clip remove. Just like that. So you put in it and then boom, pull out. That's cool. Try not to break this thing. Okay, and then we have over here this one, no name, but we also have this panel remover here, or clip remover. And we have a longer one. So we've got a short one and a long one. So this is the longer version of this one over here. So yeah guys, that's a couple of tools for removing panels. Okay, we've got also these ones here. Almost forgot these small ones here hidden by the corner, which look like it could be like for radio removals, you know. I think like you can remove radios with this. Pop, pop. So we've got those. We've got these. I think it's like for small panels, because this is not necessarily tough over there. And then we have this one. That one can also use. Sure. Okay guys, that seems like it's that with this here interior and exterior panel removal toolkit. Mostly plastic, and 3 that are made from panel, and then we've got some sort of like aluminium, stainless steel somewhere there, little panels over there, and comes in a nice case that if you take care of it, probably it will take care of you. But yeah, that's that guys. Unboxing of this here gooseneck and this panel removal kit. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great and going for those goals of yours. Don't forget guys, keep it going, keep it moving. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.